A thing about Yetis. The thing about Yetis. They love waking up on every snowy and quiet mornings. And drinking hot chocolate with their favorite stuffed toy. They love sliding down hills on their bottoms, building big snow castles. And pretending they are Godzilla. They love ice skating Yeti style.
The brownies are in the red tin.
Okay. Yetis make the best snowballs on the planet. And the best snowman too. After all, Yetis get cold too. Really, really cold. Okay, and when their snowy floor finally dries, it gets a little cold, I think. I mean, poofy. Ha! Poofy. On those days when Yetis can't just get warm, and the box of hot chocolate is empty. Who's that dude? Yetis can get down night crabby, so here's a little secret for you. The thing about Yetis is that sometimes they miss summer. This is just a picture. They miss outside for hours. They miss playing outside for hours and hours on long sunny days. They miss looking for little creatures by the sea. And having sea monsters beauty contests. They miss wishing on a shooting star. the glowing light of snow, hundreds of and the sound of crickets on the warm summer nights. The thing about Yetis is that the Yetis love winter. Because they on the every coldest windiest winter days, Yetis just know what to do. They make the warmest, coziest, calmest summer day or right at home. Yetis know how to make every season feel cozy. Stay Yeti!